you. No one else makes me feel this way. Don't know what you do.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video we will be sharing with you guys what a typical night in our house looks like when we don't have anything planned. Some nights are way crazier than others, or we're out doing something. So I thought I would show you guys what a cozy night in looks like. So if you're interested, then just keep watching.
I swear that I'll stay here with you.
So it's like 4:30 and Braden is putting together his Lego set. Looks like this. 140 steps. It's almost finished. Blake is running around with chips in his mouth. While Braden is finishing up his Lego set, little Blake is going to pick out something to watch for a little while before dinner. So we decided not to go anywhere today. The kids have been in PJs all day and it rained, so we couldn't go to the playground. So we've just been hanging out. I've been getting some stuff done around the house. So for dinner tonight, I'm going to roast some vegetables in the oven. I'm going to chop some bell pepper, squash, potatoes, onions, and mushrooms. So I picked this up from Aldi. It's a Tuscan salmon fillet and it's frozen, and we thought we'd try it out tonight. It actually ended up being really good. So right now I'm just washing all the vegetables before I get them cut up and put in the oven. I always use a veggie wash. You can make your own veggie wash too, but I always find that veggie spray in the fresh produce section. So now that all the vegetables are cut, I'll add it into a bowl. I'll drizzle some olive oil in there, and then I'll add some everything bagel seasoning, which is the bomb. This stuff tastes so good on everything. And then I'll pour all the vegetables on a baking sheet. So tonight my kids are going to have something different. They don't like salmon and they do not like potatoes. They never have. But I decided to make it anyway, just so me and my husband can have leftovers, and they still have the option to try it if they want to. So they're going to have pizza bagels tonight with some ranch flavored cauliflower and a salad. I'm going to use these stainless steel wipes to wipe down all of the appliances tonight, and then I'm going to use some disinfectant wipes on all of the handles and the buttons. I'm not going to do any major cleaning in here. I'm just going to pick up the extra Lego pieces that Braden has on the table and put them in a little Ziploc bag, put the placemats back on the table, and that'll be it. tonight we are testing out this heated blanket that I got for Christmas from Brandon's mom, and I love it. We already washed it, but I wanted to keep the box to show you guys. It really does give out the perfect amount of warmth. It's just so comfortable and cozy. So the kids were actually curious to see how warm it was and how it worked. So we all just sat there and we watched Ellen's Game of Games, which is hilarious to me. I am dying to be on that show. Comment down below if you guys have seen it. Right now it's about 8 or 8:30. I don't remember, but I'm running my youngest a bath, and my oldest is actually in our bathroom taking a shower. He's really independent, so I thought this was the perfect time to share with you guys some of the products that I use on my little one. He has eczema, and I know a lot of people have eczema, so I thought I would share. And we use this Up and Up Sensitive Skin body wash that we get from Target, and then this Eczema Honey Oatmeal Scrub, which I use 2 to 3 times a week. I'm pretty sure you can only find this line online, and I'll link it down below. We also use the moisturizer that they have, but we're using something different from our doctor, which I'll show you in a second. So Blake has fine curly hair, and for his hair I usually just use a shampoo and conditioner that I would use on my hair, and it doesn't affect him at all. We love Shea Moisture products along with many other brands, so I will have them listed down below for you guys if you're interested. So moisturizer is the most important step in my opinion when you have eczema. We use CeraVe moisturizing cream, which we get from our doctor, but you can find it in Target and Walmart. This has been working really well on Blake's skin. We lather him up multiple times a day when he needs it, but especially after a bath when his skin is still moist, and then in the morning before we put his clothes on for school. This is a steroid-free ointment that we use on his more irritated areas just as needed, and we get this from our doctor. Our hair products change all the time. We all have curly hair. So tonight I'm using this Maui Moisture Curl Smoothie on his hair. He has really fine curls, so I just find that just a tiny bit of something that's more of a cream works better on his hair.
You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world.
So one thing I always do before we hang out downstairs is turn our blankets back, fluff our pillows, turn the lamp on, kind of pick up around our room, just so it gives a more cozy vibe.
I just want you, I just need you, I don't know what it is you do.
So each night the boys take turns picking out a couple of books for me to read. They love this time at night that we get to spend together. My husband will read them books all the time too. They love listening to audiobooks, so they do that at night sometimes. One of their favorite ones they're listening to right now is Diary of a Wimpy Kid.
Oh, take me away, I want you for myself every single day.
So this is definitely the time that me and my husband like to spend together downstairs, watching something on TV, our favorite show or movie. And before I do that, I always turn on Jody, which is what we named our robot vacuum, because he's always lurking. He usually runs in the middle of the day when we're at school and work, and then at night when the boys are asleep and all the toys are picked up. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.